Try to imagine navigating just one single day of your life without a credit card, a mobile wallet, or a bank account. No swiping for coffee, no tapping for groceries, no direct deposit. For Osman Kande, growing up in Guinea, West Africa, this was a daily reality. At 9 years old, he watched a quiet ritual in his family's dirt floor home. Every night, his mother would lift the corner of a thin mattress and carefully tuck away a few crumpled bills. It was the only safe place she had to store the money they needed to survive. She wasn't hiding it because she didn't know how banks worked. She was hiding it because the formal financial system looked at her and saw someone who wasn't worth serving. Being locked out of the financial system has very little to do with personal failure. The system itself is built in a way that actively filters out millions of hardworking people. Today, 3 billion people worldwide are entirely unbanked. They have no access to basic financial infrastructure. This map shows the scale. In the US alone, 87 million Americans are locked out of mainstream banking. Why? Building a physical bank branch costs up to $5 million. In low-income areas, profit margins don't cover that overhead, so banks don't build. When these communities need to move money, they are forced to use remittance providers and check cashers. Those services extract up to 15% in fees and exchange rates, draining hundreds of billions of dollars from the people who need it most. The mathematics of traditional banking guarantee the exclusion of half the world. We cannot solve this problem by trying to build cheaper bank branches. We have to build entirely different financial rails that meet people exactly where they already are. That is what Wodi does. Like Uber turned everyday cars into a vast transportation network, Wodi turns trusted neighborhood stores into local banking hubs. The first step is removing the need for a traditional account. With Wodi, your standard mobile phone number converts directly into a fully functional global payment address. The second step happens at the corner store. By using this simple point-of-sale device, any local merchant can operate as a global mini-bank. By leveraging the daily habits and existing storefronts already present in a community, Wodi scales financial access instantly, completely bypassing the $5 million overhead of a brick-and-mortar building. This infrastructure is already active. Wodi is enabled by a strategic partnership with Visa, and the platform is currently deployed in over 40 countries. The platform is powered by artificial intelligence, a branch of computer science focused on creating systems capable of learning and problem-solving, which earned Wodi the 2025 Microsoft Positive Impact AI Challenge Award. Now, someone to walk into their local bodega, access global money transfers, make instant bank deposits, and pay cross-border bills right at the counter. It provides the exact same high-security global financial rails used by Wall Street institutions, delivered directly to the neighborhood shop. Traditional payday lenders extract wealth from a neighborhood. Wodi's economic model is designed to keep it there. The local merchant earns a $5 commission on every single transaction. They boost their own bottom line while providing an essential service to their neighbors. Wodi actively inverts the traditional financial model, ensuring that as money moves, wealth continues to circulate within the local economy. Usman Kande still thinks about those weathered hands tucking crumpled bills under a mattress. He built Wodi so that no hardworking parent ever has to hide their worth simply because the system was designed to be blind to them. Wodi replaces charity and dependence with direct access, restoring the fundamental human dignity of being seen by the economy. By turning every phone and corner shop into a bank, Wodi connects the 3 billion unbanked people to the digital economy for the first time.